So what we have seen in the last few years is the telecom environment is very challenging for service providers. There is rising competition, both among the traditional competitors, but also from kind of outside players, over-the-top service providers that are coming and offering various services, competing on the same addressable market. This means that service providers have to evolve the way they have been doing business, and this is actually why SDN and NFV was envisioned, mainly by service providers, to transform the way they deliver services from appliances to virtual functions, from hardware to software.
Well, AI and machine learning are affecting all parts of everyday life, and also the way businesses do their operations. And that means simple things like how you interact with a computer, or how an industrial application does operations. So obviously there's no way to generalize it, but all big companies, whether we look at the big industries, the big the heavyweights, the Facebooks and Googles, they're all looking at AI and machine learning and neural networks to improve how they do business and how they interact with their users as well.
So the industry is transforming probably because of the cloud. The cloud providers are generating some expectations and are setting the preference to those end users. End users expect agility. They expect personalized services. They want that on each of the applications they're using. When we look at the networks, it's not there. The network doesn't provide that agility. To provide a new networking service still takes weeks, sometimes months. To provide a new security services, weeks and sometimes months. So there's a bit disconnect between the physical and the virtualized cloud services. So what we see is that the industry is moving to elevate those traditional services to have a more cloud-like experience and offer that into the end user.
So I think a few challenges for telcos. One is just to get the timing right of when to roll out IoT services and underlying networks. What are going to be the right cost points and business models to enable consumer IoT as well as enterprise IoT, and how to work in a very much more complex ecosystem. So a lot of different partnerships that telcos need with OEMs, with billing providers, with essentially a lot of new companies in the ecosystem that they won't have worked with closely before.